Greetings and salutations, I'm Josh from Layzee Acres. Thank you for tuning in. Today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to talk about the one control system that we see here on the Solitudes, the Momentums, and other brands we sell here at Layzee Acres. This one control system that basically controls your slides, your awnings, a lot of your lights, those kind of things. And it can seem intimidating, it can seem confusing, kind of sounds like Bitcoin or the metaverse. But we're going to break it down for you nice and easy today. First thing is you can download an app on your phone. Now I've got an iPhone, not a big deal, I'm pretty hip. But first thing you want to do is find your app store, click on that, type in One Control, and then you're going to be able to download the One Control app. So we're going to do that here live. In the meantime, let's talk about the One Control screen we have in the trailer. So it's going to be different locations for every floor plan and brand and model, that kind of thing. But the first thing you got to do is turn it on. Now if it's really cold and you're starting the trailer up for the first little bit, this sometimes does take a little bit and the screen can be a little twitchy and such, right? But it is pretty, this part of it is pretty easy. Basically, we're on the home screen right now. We can turn on or turn off all the lights just from right there. We can scroll through and select what we want to select. So let's say we want to bring in a slide or out a slide. Okay, so we'll go to slide 1. Click on that. You can bring the slide out or bring the slide in. Pretty easy and straightforward, just like you would with a regular switch. And a lot of brands, they have the regular switches in the trailer somewhere, but this is just brings it all together for you. We can go back. Alright, maybe we want to turn off the ceiling lights in the kitchen or turn off the ceiling pendant lights. We can just click that and do that nice and easy. Okay? So last thing that we have on this home screen that I don't really love is your fifth wheel leveler. So you can click on that right here, and that will take you to auto hitch, auto level, manual level, retracting all the jacks, retracting your rear jacks, those kind of things. Why I don't love that is because you're inside your trailer right here. You have no idea what's going on outside, if a car is out there, if people are at the trailer, that kind of thing. So that's why this app we just downloaded is a lot safer, a lot better. I don't love the idea of you being inside your trailer and pushing buttons on landing gear outside. So let's go back to the app. It has downloaded in the meantime, so I'm going to hit open. It may take a second or two. One control, so it's going to give you some things that it wants you to allow it to do. One Control would like you to use Bluetooth. That you do want that because that's what's going to connect you to the screen, so that's important. One Control would like to send you notifications. I personally don't want that, so I'm going to say don't allow. You can allow if you like. All right, and then at the bottom of the screen here, you can view the license agreement. All right, this is very wordy. I'm sure there's someone out there who's going to read that. Your boy Josh, not so much. So we're going to agree to those after I've read those carefully, of course. And then we're going to log in. Okay? This wants you to use a certain website to use that. I'm going to say cancel to that because I don't want to use that website. What I'm going to do is now I'm on this home screen here. I'm going to push the plus button. Okay? And I'm going to hit RV connection because I'm not connecting anything yet. RV connection. And I'm going to scan with the camera. Okay. Grant location permission. Sure. No, I don't want to allow that. Grant camera permission. Boom. One Control would like to access to the camera. This is necessary for you to connect to the pin. Give it a second. It's just loading. Didn't let me scan it though.
Yeah, it was scanning it when it was the blue screen. It just didn't
Oh, really?
show. Yeah.
Okay. So it says RV connected successfully. When I did this earlier, it gave me like a camera that would connect to this. And this label is right here above the screen. And there's going to be a password. Okay. I'm going to log in. Let's go. I'm going to select the year of the trailer. We're in a 2022 Solitude. Grand Design. Select model. Scroll down to Solitude. And the floor plan doesn't matter, so it's other. So you're going to confirm that. RV details are set successfully. You're going to continue. And now I can do everything that's on this screen on my phone. So that is pretty awesome because I can walk outside the trailer, push extend or retract on an awning. I could do the slides, or I can do the fifth wheel leveler. Okay? Come on.
It switches to the side.
Okay. So I can do auto level, auto hitch. This is more complicated, so we'll do another video on actually auto leveling and hooking up your trailer and stuff like that. But that's how you get to that. You can do your ceiling lights, your kitchen pendant lights, bedroom lights. Everything you could have done on that screen is now available on your phone. So laying in bed, you can shut off the ceiling lights. You can shut off the kitchen lights, shut off all the lights, that kind of stuff. And I like this feature a lot. You can turn on or off all the lights right from your phone, which is super handy. Okay. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, share that with your friends. Then you can email us here at sales@layzeeacres.com. Thanks again.